Welcome back to the Accelevents raffle overview video series. In this step, we'll show you how to set up credit card processing for your event. Setting up credit card processing makes the ticket purchase process a lot easier for your participants, as they'll be able to now purchase their own raffle tickets online or using their smart device with their credit card. To set this up, we'll go back to our event checklist. We'll select the Activate Payment Processing button. We can also find this page under our Settings and Credit Card Processing option in our Admin Console menu. To set up credit card processing, you have two options. You can either connect with Stripe or connect with Square. Once you select one of these options, you'll be prompted on how to set up your account. In the case of connecting with Stripe, for example, you'll actually be brought to a specific Stripe pop-up where it will walk you through the setup process and the account process. I already have an account, so I didn't have to go through that whole process, but you can find an entire walkthrough on setting up Stripe in our Help Center.